On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok search easily and fast. So all what you have to do is watch this short video until the end. First thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, and after you open the settings you will find many options right here. So all what you have to do is go to the apps manager. Right here on this page you will find all the apps you have on your phone. Just go to TikTok, click on it, and then go to this option. It's called data usage. Right here on this option you have to make sure that all those network access options are enabled like this, and if it's not, then you have to enable them. Go back. Now click on this force stop option and go to the Play Store. Search for TikTok and check if there is a new update for you. If there is a new one, then you have to click on update. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.